Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys! Welcome to our new video. So for today's video, we're going to make or we're going to do an art attack. So art attack, not heart attack, okay? So there are three different types of art that is given to us that we'll make. So the first one is painting, the second one is singing, and the last one is dancing. So since hindi maitono ng mga instrumento ang process ko, cross tayo, singing. So when it comes to dancing naman, medyo ang ating mga katawan. So X din tayo dyan. So, ang aking napili or ang last choice na lang natin ay ang painting.
With my mug on me. Oh, DD, oh, what it is? Oh, DD, what it is?
So, painting. So, ang team ay ang DepEd matatag. So, what I'm going to paint is a tree since it symbolizes like pagkamatatag, and then its root will be DepEd. So, the things that we're going or that we need in making a painting, doing a painting, is syempre, the first one is paint. Different types of paint, pwedeng watercolor, ganun. Second one, of course, di mawawala ang ating pencil and eraser. Okay, different types of brushes, the thin and the thick. Ito yung gagamitin ko. Of course, a ruler. Yan. Siyempre, ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is bond paper, sheet of paper. Kasi kung wala to, wala tayong magagawang painting. So, let's start.